Alright, what's up, guys? Different environment today because I'm back home for the night. So yeah, back where I started this, not in my dorm. I was gonna try to do an earlier stream today, but I have this networking assignment that's fucking kicking my ass. And taking a fuck ton of my time. So that's cool. Why am I getting an encoding overload? I don't know. But regardless, I'm gonna do some leetcode tonight. I think I'm gonna try to do 2 problems instead of just the one, because I honestly don't have too much time to look into the poker stuff. I think we set up enough to get tests going. Like I can test some stuff, see if the strengths are coming out correctly. Do I have anything else to say? Oh, I mean, day 50. It's cool. I don't have much else to say. I kind of, like, I don't know if I'm surprised that I got to 50 days. I definitely didn't think I was going to get a job in 50 days, but I'm glad I stuck with it. It's a very cool community that we got going on here. So let me open up this stream over here too. There we go. Gonna hit 1K subs by the end of February? Dude, that'd be sick. Yeah, we are surprisingly close to, sorry, I'm just adjusting my monitor over there. We are surprisingly close to 1K, which is kind of crazy. One and only back at it again. Caesar, how's your first day, man? You should not be awake right now. You should be asleep. You have school now. Get sponsored by leetcode. Dude, that'd be fucking cool. Would it be cool? Yeah, but also like, come on. Was ass. That's, yeah. Oh, you do college at night? Oh, so you're just like a for real night owl. Okay. We Gucci? Of course. Given an array of positive integers and nums, return the maximum possible sum of an ascending subarray. There's a lot of subarray problems in the beginning of these. A subarray is defined as a contiguous sequence of numbers in the array. Subarray of blank is ascending for all I. Okay, so it's literally just like you just have like a result and a cur, and then anytime you hit something that's not ascending, put the cur back to 0, and then check the res. And it's positive integers, so you don't really have to worry about anything. This one in Python? Who are you? You? What? Who are you? Python? So let's do some class projects. Okay. Says the Python hater. Fuck me, what am I doing? Welcome to the real world is crazy. If I is it strictly increasing? Yeah. So if it's greater than the next one, res equals max of res and cur. Cur equals 0. Is it not just this? Oh no, this should be also equal. My fault. Ah, what? The fuck did I do wrong? Oh, am I not getting the last one? Oh, I do see my error. That's fair. Fuck, I can't believe I fucked that up. That's some cringe. What the fuck are you guys saying? They didn't see as well though, but I managed to do no ifs in C. Dude. Just accept that you're like a fucking crazy person. Yeah, like literally everything returns fucking true. Alright, how do I fix this? Because I made such a stupid fucking mistake. So one problem is I'm not getting the last element. The other problem is if it's never hitting this other thing. I technically could just be calling this max thing every time. Should be less than? I don't think so. Because this is pretty much the check of if we're resetting, is at least what I thought about it. Like if we're resetting, I was going to check the max and then put the curve back to 0. I think I'm just going to put this outside because, like, whatever. I don't really care. That should handle at least one of them. But I think we're still getting the same issue of, like, we get 5, we get 10, but then we don't get the last one. How can we get the last one, though? How do I get the last one? Did it backwards? How did I do it backwards? Thinking like that? No? Dude, I feel like I'm just not using my brain in like the past week. This has been very funny. I know like what the problem is, I just like don't want to think about it. Yeah. Dude, okay, so I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna do, hit one of these. Is nums guaranteed to have a length? Yeah, so fuck you. Oh, shit. I meant to do like the minus. Real ones know what I meant. Real ones know. Dude, don't fucking talk about the Luka trade. Oh my god. I promise you I'll lose my mind. I promise you. No? Still no? Fuck off. Bitch that hates me. Should this just be num? Nums, Aiden, nums. I'm just run test. I don't give a fuck. I'll lock in an interview. Bro. Why? Cur would be that. Doing a mock as a vid. I should, but I don't know who I would like mock with. I don't like. You want to interview me? Down. I should probably use this as a test case. Okay. How did I use... What? Where? Where am I using that much memory? I'm accessing an array. Looking for a full-time or intern? Summer internship. POV use Python, dude, fucking pretty much, man. Oh my god. I really should, like, rerun, watch it fix itself. Submit again. Now I beat 44%. Look what you've done to me. Look what you've done to me, Shaman. Oh my god. Too funny. Okay. Let's do another random one. Also, I was looking. I'm almost past, like, I had a random summer streak going. I think I'm past in terms of, like, length. Because some of these were, I did them at, like, 1 in the morning. So they just didn't count. Because I had, like, a true streak of 28 where I'd do them at, like, 5 p.m. But technically, we're past that. Look at us go. I should do more hards. I've done 7 hards only. Choose problem. I'll do one as well. Let's do a medium. Pick one. Hope you are not planning to do leetcode again. I have horrible news for you. Horrible. Can I use like a... Can I search non-premium shit? I'm not buying premium. I'm not doing that. No? Ooh, a linked list one. Alright. This one seems kind of interesting. Given the head of a linked list, we repeatedly delete consecutive sequences of nodes that sum to 0 until there are no such sequences. After doing so, return the head of the final linked list. Oh, interesting. It's kind of like a stack. Because you could, like, you kind of imagine you're like, push, or you wouldn't push, you would check, you'd always like check the top one. And then it'd be a pop. Then we go to the next one, we check, we'd pop again. And then we'd know we only have one. But that's a lot of extra space. But how else would you do that? Because to get a stack type of thing for a linked list, you need to be able to know where you were beforehand, which is tough with a singly linked list. And maybe we do just use a stack. Because a stack is so fucking nice for this. And then at the end, we would just iterate over the stack and connect them. It's not that much extra space. Dude, I fuck with you so heavy, Mason. I fuck with you so heavy. Because that's what I'm thinking. Oh, 1 to 1,000 nodes. That's nothing. All right, we stacking. I've convinced myself. And by I've convinced myself, I mean I talked through one possible implementation, and that's the one I'm doing. New question solve around 175-ish, probably. 150 on leetcode, and then however many on leetcode, I have no idea. Okay, so how would I do this? I want to stack. Do you process the stack at the end? That's what I'm thinking. It's pretty much just like, I don't have a mouse, so Excalibur is going to be, this is a rough one. I don't want to be blamed. So I was thinking like, I have a stack, right? And then, oh, wow, this is laggy. I think I'm like encoding overload or something. But anyways, you would push like 1, you would push 2, you would push 3, and then when you go to try to push -3, you're always like comparing with the end. Oh my god, it's gonna be an encoding overloading. I'm so sorry. Before you go to push this, you're gonna see that the top one on the stack, that value, is off, or like it's gonna be 0. So then you pop that and don't append it, and you just go to cur.next, and then now the list is 1, 2, and we're comparing -2. So then we know that we have to pop this, and then we go to cur.next. That's the idea. Or at least that's my idea. I don't know if it's right, but whatever. I can make a dummy one later. Okay, so Walker, if s and s at -1, equals like I don't know the best way to do this, like -1 times cur.val, then s.pop, else we're just gonna append cur. We're always going to iterate to the next one. I think. And then to me equals list node. Oh, why am I so zoomed in? Why have I like not noticed that? Sorry. So dummy equals list node. No, wait, how am I gonna traverse this? I want to traverse and pretty much be connecting them. So we can do start equals s at 0. But s could be empty. Wait, what is the when it's not a list node, like it's an empty list node, what do you return again? Is it just list node? I actually don't remember, but whatever. So start is that. So then we're gonna go I in range 1 to length of S. So new list.next equals S at I. New list equals new list.next. Oh no, but I need a dummy. This is a stupid implementation. Return dummy.next. So the idea is we keep a stack. We iterate over the linked list. If there is a stack and the most recent appended element is the inverse of the current value, then we pop it. Else we append it to the stack. We append that list node. And then we just traverse the cur.next. If there's not a stack, we just return the list node. Then we make a new dummy. We make a new dummy, start it with the dummy.next equal to the start. And then we just keep going. New list.next equals the next element in the stack. And then skip past it? What are you gonna yell at me for? Okay, we're kind of close. Why did this fail though? Because why did we not pop here? Wait, what? Because we should be recognizing that 3 is equal to -1 of that, and we should be popping this and not appending that. I gotta see what's going on here. Oh. Fine. If S. Yeah, we have 3 in. What? How do we not get into the pop? Okay, so we are in the pop. What the fuck? Oh, sorry, I'm missing a lot of stuff. Been playing with Arduino lately. It's good stuff. Any fortune tellers reveal if I'm cooked? everybody might be cooked. Who fucking knows? So your schedule like for coding? Typically I start around 11 p.m. Keyboard sounds amazing. I'm actually just using the Apple, like, Mac keyboard. Use C++ pleb? No. Is your LeetCode ID? I don't know, actually. Maybe that. Okay, let me print S after, actually. Because we're getting into the pops correctly. No, so we just don't pop correctly. That's weird. First time here, did you do LeetCode before day 50? Yeah, I did. Did it in C. Good job. I feel like I have the right thing, but I kind of don't understand why I'm not popping. Like, I get into the pop. But then somehow... Oh, it's because the list node itself has... Oh, okay. This might be a fix. Okay. Do you use AI when you get stuck to help? Just try to figure it out myself. Typically, I try to figure it out myself. Oh yeah. This is the, like, what do you return when it's nothing? Because, like, I'm getting the right. It just initializes to val equals 0. What do you return? Just return none. Okay. See if this works. Shit. Oh, you so do. You so do. I did not realize that consecutive ones can sum. Shit. Guess who misunderstood the problem? Fuck me. Alright, how long have I been doing this? 30 minutes? I kind of don't want to do more than that, so I'm just going to read the solution. Okay, so yeah. Now you probably do need to prefix sum to know at what point do you have equal things. Yeah. All right, whatever. Those prefix sum is initialized to 0. Yes, it's just prefix sum. Code iterates through the linked list at each node. It updates prefix sum. Yeah, makes sense. And then check if it's in the dictionary beforehand so you know. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Yeah, there is a subsequence that adds to it. In this case, it iterates. Yeah, from where you store it. So we just get rid of those. Yeah. What's up, Pablo? Your live stream got recommended to me yesterday at 4 a.m. Dude, that's crazy. At least that's 2:50. Just go to bed. Just go to bed. I'm probably gonna do a shorter stream tonight because I also have to go to bed. But this does make sense. I just completely misread the problem, which was my undoing. I thought it was only like the close pairs, but that's way too easy. Yeah. All right, whatever. Because you just accumulate. If the sum is in the prefix sum, then we know where the pointer starts from. And then you just start deleting. C code is simpler. Post it in the Discord. I'll take a look. And then let's just add it. Yeah. All right. I really got to get better at reading these fucking problems. I'm just gonna type it out, even though I am just like kind of looking at it just so I can at least get my head to it. Current, cur. Why do you need a 0 to map to dummy? Why do you need this? If the prefix itself goes to 0? Okay, so like when the last element is something that zeroes out the whole thing? Yeah, that makes sense. If the whole, like if the last element is the one that takes it. Or technically not the last element. If just any element, like you eventually sum to 0. Makes sense, makes sense. This equals curl. So if it's in, then we need to know like where we're deleting. Post it in general. All right. Why didn't you post it in the fucking leetcode solutions? We have a whole channel. Come on, Caesar. Oh, that's fair. I forgot it was for dailies, and it's my own Discord. Okay, what is this temp sum thing, actually, now that I'm looking at this? Temp sum equals prefix sum plus... Oh, it's just because you want to delete up until the prefix? Well, to delete is not equal to cur. Delete it from the thing. Prefix sums, prefix sum. And then you just want to skip over that huge path. That prefix sum. This is the case where it's just normal. Just treat it like typical. Fair. Hexadecimal. You got a great friend in Caesar. You should talk to him. Also, most positions just don't do C. It's just not needed. So it's not like a flex. Like, I don't need to. Do I know how to write basic C? Yes. Do I know how to write C good enough to trust myself to do it in an interview problem in a stressful situation? No. What's up, Alex? If your primary goal is to just get a job, Python is... Yeah. It's also by far the most used. Like, this is fucking JavaScript. Because it's almost like runtime doesn't matter for interview questions. Or like, not runtime, like obviously the time complexity matters. -5 points, shucks. I'm not going for Fang. I don't care. I just want a job. Looks like Aiden does a lot of ML stuff. I actually don't do as much ML stuff as I want to, or that I'm planning on doing. But I am much more comfortable with Python. I've done more projects in it. I've only done like 2 projects in C. All right. It's not true you do interview Google Docs, correct syntax, or doesn't matter. Oh, really? That's kind of crazy. Oh shit, what's up, Asoken? What's up, man? Dude, the whole squad, yeah. I got like, I don't know, we're kind of close to 850? We might be past it now. I know before the stream we were close to 850. Which is fucking crazy. Like, thank you guys for hanging out with me and going through the struggle. We on 850? Look at that. Look at us go. 1K by end of February. I was checking. I'm like halfway. My watch time is always awful for these, right? Because no one's actually going to watch the VOD back that I post. Besides me, like from 2 years from now, when I like to watch back these. But I'm technically halfway to getting monetized, which means I can earn maybe 2 cents in like 2 months. So pretty much I'm employed full time as a YouTuber. Once I make my 2 cents, you guys are never gonna hear from me again. Make too much money. Oh my god, that's fucking funny. Dude, what do you think is the point I add this to my resume? Because it's not 1,000 subscribers. Like, once I earn my 2 cents from ad rev, is that when I put this as like above my other positions on my resume? Stack bikes, is it fine for Mallory in those positions? You're not a bum if you have a job, bro. Any job is a respected job if you have a job. Wait, what did I just delete? Evaluate equal strength. We don't need that anymore. Okay, so yesterday we did the lookup tables, right? So we have an evaluate hand thing that gives us back an int16. So I should probably just test this. Right? Because wait, I just don't use, I don't think I use this anymore. Find best hand will be hand out like evaluate hand. What is this again? Find best hand takes in, oh, all combinations of the hands. What strength is that? Yeah, I mean, that looks normal. Do you not use Copilot? I don't. Reason I don't is because I was writing NU Food, like my larger project, and then one time, like, I was coding on a plane and I had no Copilot, and I was like, wow, I'm a fucking bum without this shit. Like, I was just like waiting for the tab to show up for like TypeScripts, or not type, like basic JavaScript, like a reduce or a map, and it's like Copilot is sick. Copilot is great. I loved using it, but I'm just not good enough to like trust myself that I'm not just like actively making myself a worse programmer by going the easy route. Good night, dude. Good night. Have a good night, man. So yeah, I don't, actually, it's quite funny. In my init.lua, this is because I was taking notes. In my poli-sci class, I take the notes in NeoVim, and it autocorrects like quite good. But I probably just haven't sourced this in the poker thing yet. But I have the comment of lock in, and then it's commented out. But yeah. What are you doing? Right now I'm gonna be testing poker hand evaluator that I ported from Cactus Kevin? I kind of forget his name. But yeah, porting it to Go. We're gonna test it, make sure I didn't fuck some stuff up. Because the goal is that I want to make my own poker site for my friends. That has like, you know, all the basic functionality, and then also like spectators can see like person's equity in their hand, like if the hand, like if the person should call or fold in real time. That's gonna be like way down the road though. Yeah, no, actually scrap exactly what I said and just, it's what Caesar said. We're making a poker thing to rug pull people after they put money into our gambling site. What are those 0x0s? This is because our cards are this representation of like bits for like deuce, 3, 4, and so on. Club, diamond, heart, spade, and then the rank of the card in terms of like counting 2 in terms of like, you know, a byte, and then the prime number representation of them. And then this is just a mask. I know technically, like all I need is that, but it just helped my brain align. I don't know. It's stupid. I should probably just make consts. Yeah, I should just do that. But then again, like I have no fucking clue what this does. So what is that? Const, can we take this, and then am I allowed to? Yeah, okay, we'll just do that. And then this is not a rank mask, but a suit mask. Suit mask. It's really cool, actually. Thank you. This should be a prime mask. Mask. All right. But regardless, I should be able to just call unaligned to x equals con. Is that really it? I don't think that's a thing. I don't really care about the runtime of this. I'm kind of just like fucking around, depending on like what I want to do. 2 cents per month. That's the fucking goal, baby. I don't know what you mean, buddy. How are they unaligned? You want me to like align in terms of this? But then when I write it, it takes away the spacing. When I write the file though, my formatter takes that away, is what I'm trying to tell you. If you really want it, I'll call it prim. Do you want me to call it prim? I mean, can we also... Can we do... I feel like you can do something like this. There you go. Look at us go. We're making Caesar happy. Oh, wow. Powerful, in a way. Very powerful. God, what was I doing? Caesar happy, tribe happy, on God. I was gonna write to us. Okay. So I need to make actual hands in this form, and then compare 2 of them should be my goal. So somebody give me 2 hands. SGPT. I want to make one of my own, because I want to make sure that I understand it. Somebody give me a 2 5-card hands. Shaman, I'm gonna kill you. You think shit's sweet, huh? You think shit's sweet, huh? You fucker. Sorry, 1 second. Let me check something. Wait, I just saw how will the Luca trade affect the CS job market. It's gonna kill the job market. I don't play Pokemon, I play Balatro. A real man. You speak Chinese? No, but after this Luca trade, I might have to. You gotta give Arc Browser another try. Dude, have they fixed the battery life? Because when I tried it, it nuked my battery. All right, so we got Pocket Kings. I'm typing it. I can't do it with trackpad. Test eval. Testing T. We're gonna delete you. Or actually, I can probably take. Why am I deleting that? I don't really care. Okay, so So we want pocket kings, 3 deuce deuce. Okay. So suits don't really matter for this. So what would a king be? Yeah, you're so right. Let me just let fucking GPT do this. I'm not. This is gonna take fucking forever. I should just give it. It's Comic Sans. So that declares initial as variable at the same time. Yeah. Right. One with king, king, 3 deuce, deuce, and another hand of your choosing would make it deterministic. Dude, honestly. Bro. Either that or they gotta learn Chinese. Dude, honestly. Am I crazy or will this just not work? 0x02 just won't fucking work. This just does. God damn it. No, keep this form. God, I should just made these fucking hands myself. This stupid fucking AI. Of a low straight and assign. This is stupid. Let me just. Let me see if he has predefined ones. Do you not give me an example hand? You should give me an example hand. Oh, you do give me 2 example hands. No, you give me 2 example cards. Some quotes from Claude. Would you be willing to help me? What the fuck? Do you be doing all your school projects in any of them too? I remember when I took OS, we had everyone. Yeah, I actually. Okay, so when we SSH, I was trying to set up my NeoVim, but you can't, like. Obviously, I don't have pseudo perms over SSH, so I couldn't update NeoVim, and NeoVim was running on like 0.4. So all of my extensions broke, everything broke. So I do just use my own like VS Code setup and then just remote into it so I can have like all my extensions and the motions and stuff. You just use Vim? Fucking of course you do, Caesar. There's nothing more on brand. Hey, how are you doing? What are you doing today? I am trying to make test cases for the poker hand thing that we ported. But it's, oh, let's fucking go. It did it. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. Did it? It might have. DeepSeek would just spend like 5 minutes yapping into not saying anything useful. That's so fire. Actually, this might work. All right. Respect the individuals who full drive new of them. Always be falling back to you. So doing. Yeah, that's fair. I only fall back to VS Code when it's like I can tell it's just gonna be such a time sink to set up NeoVim the way I want to. If I can use NeoVim, I do because I just find it more fun. But like I have no qualms just going back to VS Code with the fucking Vim motions. It's really like it's not that bad. Okay, so which of these will be better? So we have ace high here. And then here we have a straight. Do we have a straight? 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So hand 2 should be better. So this should be straight, and this will be ace high. Chris Stritch. Wait, tell me it isn't so. Wait, we lost our best programmer to Java? 07. 07. Okay, so do I ever use sort hand now? Doing the generator, all right, whatever. No, I haven't team matched yet for next summer. Next summer? Or do you mean next summer as in like in a few months, or do you mean a fucking year from now? Because I know you got that shit lined up. This summer? Okay. I was about to be pissed off. You gotta leave some jobs to the rest of us, you fucker. So wait, we're gonna rack dashboard. Yeah, get ready to learn Chinese, buddy. If ace high is greater than or equal to straight dot evaluate hand. How do you like assert this? Oh, assert true. Okay, so I'll just take this. Results. So true T res. What else does this take in? Message and args. Okay. Expected straight to be higher. but that shit was not higher. Straight val. Ace high val. I should probably just bear with me. Yeah, actually, you guys are chatting up a storm. Res equals the straight eval should be greater than ace high eval. Straight eval, ace high eval. All right, what did I miss? I missed a lot. Do you think recruiters consider school name as the first priority when hiring interns? Probably not first priority. Definitely experience. Jesus Christ, Caesar. C# and Java are like the same picture.jpg. C# front end, Java back end. It's crazy. I love Go. I use it all out of work. Dude, Biso, you're living my dream, buddy. I'm still very new to Go and I'm bad, but I've really enjoyed it. Just that I'll find a job as a C dev, fucking for sure. The first person to fix tech debt. Will when you get a job. When will I get a job? I'm hoping before summer. My fucking monitor turned off, bro. Okay, so go test. Build failed. That is because this should not be here. Gotta be honest, Go looks incredibly boring. That's an extremely fair take. Bro, fix Ted Dutch. Valkyrie. Go work on some cloud thing. Maybe go contribute to Kubernetes, attend some working groups, and get a job that way. I should look into cloud stuff. I don't know. I don't really know how I would get into that. Are you a new grad? No, I'm a sophomore. Embedded system need a lot of C and C++ most of the time. Yeah. The embedded world. Index out of range. Sheesh. How the fuck are we getting that as an index? Oh, we are cooked. We are cooked. Goes ask for people that want to spend 20 minutes learning through different. Go is also just like the if error not equal nil. Like some people just don't fuck with that motion. Boring isn't bad, just to be clear, the language says everywhere. Yeah. I'm a senior CS student who's honestly cooked, trying to fix my situation, but need advice? Fuck. I mean, dude, it's tough. It's like, at a certain point, you just gotta do little things, right? To fucking make your bed. Like, you can't, like, go after the whole thing to begin with. But also, I'm not a therapist. I don't really know a good answer. I apologize. But I feel like you just gotta tackle dominoes at a time. Like tiny, and then just build up. What's your British project you finished or mostly completed? That'd be NU Food. NuFood.me. It's like better dining hall app for my school. So what it does is like, I always show this, but who cares? Let's run it one more time. I gotta pull this up on my second monitor so I can see. So I don't know if you can see this, but like you see that load time, like 5 seconds. If you then, also it's just like wrong. It says closed but opens in less than a minute, and it's midnight. None of that is opening. If you like click into a dining hall, it takes like 3 seconds. If you then change it to lunch, it takes another 7 seconds. So I made a better version of that. Where's actually the end of the earth? Yeah. We got to figure out what this... Gotta figure out this shit. Alright, so how are we reaching the actual ends of the earth? I'm gonna do this with this. Because why? What am I doing wrong? So Q equals get flush straight index, which is adding them. Okay, so I don't think I'm doing anything wrong here. Because we're just doing all the cards ORed together, and then we're shifting at 16. If it's a flush, return the flushes, which we have an is flush, where we end everything. And then the suit mask is right. Well, I should probably debug this and figure out which one is causing this index out of bounds. Just add. The easiest way to figure out is just that. Okay, so we're failing on the straight. But why are we failing on the straight? Oh, it's because these are just all zeros. Is that it? Because fucking ChatGPT gave me, Deep breaths, deep breaths, deep breaths. I'm gonna read chat. You guys are doing a fucking bench comparison? Never used Python in industry. Only Ruby and Java. Basic things about. I mean, the best thing to not be relying on AI is literally just fucking try your best not to use it. It's just like, see how much you can push yourself. It's definitely used not as long as I'm alive. Dude, there's no way it's more than C. Actually? Nah, I can't. Yeah. No chance. No chance, no chance, no chance. Okay. So I need to just fucking do this myself. So this would be 2, 0. It would be 0, 0. It'd be 0, 1 here. And then we're gonna say it's 2 of clubs means that this should be an 8. And this should be a 2, which means literally just 2, right? Right? Yeah, I think so. Okay, 3 of diamonds. This will be a 2 because we're setting that bit. Rank being diamonds means that it's going to be 4, right? 4. I kind of just want to do these in bits. Yeah, I'm going to. What are you yelling at me now for? How can you separate a bit sequence? Can you add separators? Like, can I do that? Okay, I can. What did I miss? C is pretty niche, like unless you're working on Reddit. Yeah, kinda. It's like, yeah, it's old stuff for performance. Yeah. I'll be doing this series well into my 40s. What am I coding? I'm coding right now the backend for a poker hand evaluator. The goal eventually is to make like my own poker site for my friends and I to use with like calculations of equity, like best moves, stuff like that. But for now, I just want to see like if I can get evaluate hands going. So like you could technically do just like 4 people playing poker and just like simulate the game. Okay. Jack of clubs. Shit. Okay. Let me copy this over and comment. What job do you want though? Literally anything. I've applied to like pretty much everything and have heard back from 0. So 0% picky. I call for YouTube music today. C++. Get ready to learn standard dot bucko. Alright, so the Queen of Hearts would be the first 3 are always 0. So it all gets zeroed out. Spades would be that. Rank would be that. The prime for the queen is 31, which is simply that. Right? So that's 3, 7. Yeah. 4, 6, 2, 8. Wait. 2, 4, 8, 6. Yeah. Plus is fun if you actually use something else than the standard library. Kevin, you're fucking insane, bro. I'm pouring honey on you. You're my LeBron. I'm kidding. You're great, but you're not Bron. Boom, 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 boom. I've been to rodeo. It was the getaway car Jack portfolio. Do you have a portfolio page? No. I should. But I do not. Also, I made this mozzarella stick, and if you can see, there's no fucking mozzarella in it, because I actually nuked the shit out of these when I made it. And it all seeped out. It's so sad. Caesar. It's not ridiculous to say that. It's not ridiculous to say that. That's what I'm saying, Shaman. That's what I'm fucking saying. Kinda our dad. Dude, I wish he was my dad. I fucking wish. What the fuck? What would be the rank? What is an ace? 41? So that's 32. So we'd want, skip 16, we want 8. Right? That's 41. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 32, yeah. Should be right. Forever my sweet, glorious king. My sweet, sweet. Pouring honey on him, goat. Would be your dream job? I don't know, actually. I can't say that I dream of labor, but I just want to build shit. I just want a job. Job. But I don't know. I have like 0 industry experience, so I actually don't know what I like and don't like. Like, if I could just get a job, I won't complain that much. All I do is to not be homeless. You do it because you're the fucking goat at this shit. Stop lying. My last name? No, it's not Korean. It's actually English. But many, many times in my life, people have asked, like, or like expected me to be Asian, which is like really funny because I'm like the fucking most white of white boys. I actually don't like doing that. 4 of hearts. This is taking so much fucking longer than I would have liked. Well, whatever. I'd love to get my hand on the Jai compiler. I never really watched any videos. I like know roughly of it. It's like some runtime bullshit, right? Or comp time maybe? I don't know. Where are you applying to? Anything in the Chicagoland area and other like bigger tech spaces with any remote tech job, like, or not remote, like anything remotely tech, like software development-esque. Because like I have a part-time internship right now that I like kind of think that I could do over summer if I asked him to, but it's not really like a software engineering thing. So it's like, it's a job, but it's not like what I want to do. Did you apply today? I did apply to a job today. I only applied to one though. Currently an unpaid intern. It's nice to do something in the field and have purpose in your work. When I didn't want to be a front-end dev, but now I'm Full stack workhorse. Hey, prayers out to you, brother. How likely they make you full time? Well, it wouldn't be, I guess, full time for summer. I don't really know. I'm pretty close. Like, currently the team is my boss, me, and then one other like actual employee, and I'm just like an intern. I feel like it's not that unlikely if I asked. Like, he likes me, and I'm doing good work for him for very cheap. Because the economy in Chicago is pretty bad in LA. I mean, economy wise, it's like ish okay. The only thing about Chicago is like it's like only trading stuff, like in terms of software jobs. Like Chicago has so much fucking traders and like Two Sigma, all that fucking jobs are here. But unfortunately, that's like not what I want to do. Recently got a quant trading internship, and this seems interesting. Damn, dude, fucking congrats, man. Congrats. That shit is not easy. My goat. Also, I'm doing these bits completely wrong now that I'm looking back at this. What the? Oh no, I'm not. I'm not. What does 6 go to? 6 is 11. Okay. So an 8, and then 1. Chicago is much bigger tech scene than LA. A lot of trading quant jobs. Yeah. It's unfortunately not like the tech I really want to do, and am like remotely qualified for, or will ever get hired for. But alright, so we didn't index out of bounds, but we expected straight to be higher, but that shit was not higher. So maybe do I not understand how to compare these things? Maybe I don't understand how to compare these things. Make yourself a card builder using enum, then convert back and forth. No, but the bit representation makes it much faster to do lookups. This is what I'm missing. There we go. So it's not a direct comparison, it's... Maybe we will bring back that enum from earlier. I don't know if this is the right Go syntax, but oh, can you not do inlines like this? Can I do that? Okay. So I should probably just write a macro for this. Why is it not running it again? You don't need that, you can just do this. How did I do that? I can tell my computer's starting to kill itself. No, fuck you. Piece of shit. Holy formatter. Straight. Flush. Nope. Flush as in this one. Okay, so now we go into the test. And we do what is this called? Hand rank. I don't export it. Undefined hand strength. Because I fucking fat fingered click. Are you quick? Are you kidding me? I left G, we pass. My fucking monitor keeps shutting off. God damn it. Maybe we keep hand strength though, instead of like an end. Nope. Compare hands now? Didn't I just compare hands? Or do you mean run? You mean run find best hand? I'm gonna do that. All right. I also want to get this shit out of there. I don't need that anymore. Okay. So let me take away this. Test find best hand. So what do we call this? Like I don't know, all cards. Let's just have this straight be something. And then, so let's say we take this straight and we add the king, and we also add ace of spades. It should still just find the straight. Okay, what did I call this? So we gotta take in combinations. So combinations equals eval dot generate combinations, and pass in all cards. Just copy A, not exported by the way. Wait, what? I'm confused. I use all cards variable type eval.hand as. Oh, this isn't a hand. This is. Oh, find best hand isn't? That's a good shout. Thank you. Expected declaration found combinations. Am I missing something? Why is this erroring? Oh, because of that. There we go. Okay, so we have the combinations. Now best hand should be equal to eval.find best hand given combinations. And then assert equal what's up, Kevin? Assert equal eval.straight and best hand or wait, no, this returns a hand. This doesn't return a hand strength. So the best hand should just be a straight, actually. Expected best. Expected best is this. What are you building? I'm working on porting some poker hand evaluator code because I want to make a real-time poker game simulator. Or not simulator, like a real-time poker game that I can play with my friends is the end goal of this. So making the evaluator part to like, if given two hands, like which one wins. Okay. Dude, pocket jiggities. Can you compare two arrays? I doubt it. All right, I'll just loop over them. Does best hand come back suited, actually, now that I'm thinking about it? Or not suited, sorted? It should. Should it? Actually, don't know. Whatever, I'll sort it. Oh, I probably just don't export it. Should just make the next Bellatra. Wait, why is my friend FaceTiming me? Sorry, give me 1 second. My friend is. All right, I'm back. Sorry. He's just. Oh, maybe that's why I need to disable preview there. Okay. So we sorted the best hand. We expect it to now get into this form. So then we can just loop over it. So for I card in the range of best hand.cards, we will assert this equality of card can we just do cards? Yeah. Card and expected best at I. Or no, expected best at cards. expected the straight to be the best hand. We'll just print out the whole hand. Just whatever. Okay. Fairly new to this. I started leetcode recently, having problems solving backtracking questions. I'm awful at backtracking. I actually have no fucking clue how to do that shit. I'm only good at like wait, what? I'm only good at like the kind of intuitive problems, which is like bad, but whatever. I like graph problems. Index out of range 0. What? Do I just not return a hand? What the fuck do you mean, index out of bounds? When? Just at 60. So in the find best combinations, why am I getting nothing here? Okay, like that's fine. Like I'm getting numbers. What is your try making Sudoku solver? That is pretty good, actually. If you type a variable name, you have a snippet to print. I need to read it. Wait, is that real? What do you mean? Sometimes, Caesar, I wish I understood you at every moment, but alas. I should, but that'd be like a good thing, but I don't. All right, so find best hand. Bro, put me on then. Stop roasting my shit. Put me on. So in get flush straight index, why are the cards ever 0? Cards should never be 0. What? Oh, because res hand will initially be nothing. Ah, look at me making a noob mistake. Let's just do res hand equals combinations at 0. We will then, for I in range, how actually do you do like length minus 1? Or do you just have to do the for loop? Oh, interesting. Oh, so you just take everything up to that, okay. Type var name, then add a dot at the end. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, what? That's so sick. That's fucking sick. I love you, Caesar. I don't say it enough. So we don't index out of bounds out here anymore, so let's get rid of those prints. But something is going along here. 3 of my friends have been doing the same thing on Twitch. Job markets, geez, you gotta be a fucking grinder. You either gotta be a grinder or you gotta be named Shaman and be fucking cracked. Alright, once I figure this out, I'm gonna go to bed. Single-handedly create DeepSeek. Me check my name. That's a crazy sentence, bro. What the fuck is this last one? Oh, is it because find best hand? No, I need the hand rank of it too. Leave him theme and font. I use Yosevka as a font and theme. Shit. It's like tear. Let me just go to Nordic. Yeah, this one. I can just drop it in chat. I can't drop it in chat. Oh, whatever. Here it is. Okay. I think it's because, yeah, I need to do hand rank on this. You know what I should? I just should have evaluate hand spit back the hand rank. No? I'll do that after. See if that fixes it. Let's fucking go. I should not be this excited about just getting a successful port. But at least I now fully understand what's happening, which is cool. Or at least I fully understand things to an extent, because I don't understand how they found this fucking perfect hash. And I won't ever, because that's some nerd shit. But wherever. It works. Okay. Just be able to get rid of these now. Cool. All right. Hand strengths working. Basic tests. All right, guys. I'm gonna end it here. It's 1:15. Caesar, it's probably like fucking 4 o'clock in the morning. You should go to bed. Everyone should go to bed. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you tomorrow for day 51. It's 8 a.m. for me. Hey, early riser. In which case, have a great day. I'm going to fucking bed. Good night, guys. I will see you tomorrow for day 51. As always, if you're new here, join the Discord, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd love to grow my network selfishly. Shameless plug. Any of you guys have referrals, slide them my way. I'm kidding. All right, I'll see you day 51. Bye.